Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Did you know that bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats can actually help improve your brain function and memory? This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia.
All right, now we're going to do push-ups. So start, right, with your hands directly under your shoulders, and then move it out like an inch or two each side. Feet can be about hip width apart or wider. That doesn't matter as much. All right, start hands directly under your shoulders. Now, up and down as far as you can go. All the way down, all the way up. All the way down, all the way up. Keep those hips up. Don't let them dip. Good. Not bad at all. I should be good right. It's going to be body weight squat. So what I want you to do, have your feet shoulder width or a little wider, toes out slightly, right? You're going to let the knees go forward as much as they want to. You're trying as much as you can to piston, just straight up and down. Come down, hold your arms out. Go back up. Get down there, come back up. You don't have to keep holding your arms up. Bring them down every time you come up. Yeah. Keep those knees out. The feet are pointing out slightly, the knees go out slightly. Wherever the foot points, make that knee go there. Not bad. These are bodyweight exercises, so you want to get as full a range of motion as you can. Good, right there. All right, now you're going to do the plank. On this one, I want you to start with your hands directly under your shoulders. I don't want you to have your hands projected out in front of you. And your feet hip width apart. Focus on your breathing. You're just trying to hold position. This is good. Now, obviously, for something like this, you're probably going to want to somehow time yourself or have someone else time you. Now, what I want you to do some variations, make it tougher. Back up there, back up there. Put your feet further apart. Now, put your hands further apart. Slide them apart. Hold it. Breathe. Now move your hands forward some. Hold that body straight. It should be tough. It should get you shaking. Hold it. Can you go forward more with the hands, or are you going to fall? Hold it, hold it, hold it tight. Hold it tight. That should be pretty tough right now. You okay? See if you can make it to 2 minutes. You hold on. You got 8 seconds. Good. Now you're going to do mountain climbers. So begin. Touch. Touch. No, just the toe. Touch. Don't be raising your butt. Just the legs. Now, more advanced or more difficult would be to start bringing your feet up. Straighten them legs out. Start bringing your feet up. Stop. Stay there. Bring one foot up flat by your hand, or as close as you can get it. Okay. Back and forth like that. Back and forth like that. Don't hold it there. It's not a stretch. No, you got to alternate.
Oh.
That's all right. You didn't know. I didn't tell you that. So what you'll do is, as you gain flexibility / mobility, you'll be able to, from that plank position, bring your foot up flat by your hand. So the knee has to come out beside your arm, not in front of you. You know what I mean? Try to bring your foot up flat behind your hand. Like that, yeah. Get it out there. All right, stop. All right, now we're going to do some body weight lunges. So come up a little bit, come up a little bit, come up, 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 up. Now what I want you to do is take a big step back, touch the knee to the ground, stand back up. It's all right. Alternate. Looks like it's easier on one side than the other, is it?
Yeah.
Good. Now, stop. Now you're going to try the forward lunge, where you step forward and then try to stand back up. Just the opposite of what you just did. Now come back to start. Pull that leg back. Should be more difficult. It should be more difficult. Spring back up. It's all right. Good. Now stop. Now we're going to do one last variation. Remember the one we did? You're walking forward, walking lunges. Lunge, stand back up. But don't go backwards. Keep moving forward. Lunge, stand up. Good, right there.
I encourage you to give these exercises a try, adapt them to your own pace and abilities, and share your feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips, exercise ideas, and inclusive workout routines. Let's continue to empower ourselves through movement and exercise. Thank you for watching.